Johnny from JSDcomputer. I'll be demonstrating screen replacement here today. I just got this laptop from a client and the screen was broken. It's a Toshiba. The first thing I did was remove the screen and then clean up the laptop real nice and clean. The back, the keyboard, just so the customer can be happy when they have their screen back. They have a fresh new laptop. Now I ordered the screen from eBay. Make sure I got the right screen number. This is the screen number right there. All of it. It was LP156WH4 and it's LT and N1. Went ahead and removed the plastic. I want to have a screen replaced and you have the plastic. It will be a little bit complicated though. Have the plastic remove. What I usually do when I remove my screen, make sure I got the ribbons all tip up so you don't misplace it. Alright, I will remove the ribbon here a little bit. I can just adjust myself here. In this process, you don't force the ribbon in, just usually go in pretty smoothly. So if you think it's being a little hard to go in, you're not doing something right. So when it's try to go in and you're having problem, remove it and just repeat the process. Now this time I'm just going to remove the tip backwards a little bit because it looks like the tip is making the process a little more complicated. And then we have the ribbon secure in there now. Make sure it's all the way, otherwise when you put the screen on you don't have any screen resolution problem or shaky screen. Tilt the screen back a little bit so it just fit in there and make sure that screen is the right size when I put the frame on. What I do when I remove the screen, a lot of guys got their own ways of securing their screws and stuff, but one nice way is tipping the screw together. Same size screw, tip them together. I find this method very easy. You're not going to lose any screw. Just tip them together. Might be irritating, but if the customer gonna take a couple of weeks just to decide, you don't want to lose one of these screws. It's a little bit annoying when you lose them and knowing the right size screw. Yeah, getting them out of the tip is a little challenging, but not as that much, but you should be fine when you, however method is right. There is no, whatever method work for you is fine. There is no right or wrong way in securing your screw. You may not see this part, but this is it's a metal frame that the screen sits on. We want to secure the screen in there first before you can secure the frame. Just going to bring this a little more closer to you. And you don't want to do one side first, you want to do it simultaneously, one at a time. You do the right side and then you do the left side. Alright, I hope okay. There you go. So we got this side. Now we have this side. As you see, this side. Alright guys, almost there. Process is, if you have the screen, if you have the screen in store, this process take about 10 minutes to replace the screen if you actually know what you're doing. Removing the screen is a little more complicated because sometimes you're not familiar with the laptop, you know, with the system, because some system, older system is a little more difficult, but newer system, as you see, like this one, you didn't have to remove the keyboard or anything, so yeah, a lot more easier. Okay, I got my upper screw there now. I just need to grab it's a little one here from in my tip secure system. And I just secure the bottom bar. Okay. So I'm just gonna put that on just a little bit, not all the way in, so we can have a good measurement. Alright, as you figure out by now, I'm a right-handed person, so it's kind of difficult to get this last screw in when I'm trying to do the video and demonstrate it. So forgive me for this one. I have to turn the back of the system around here just to get this one secure. track. Now I can secure my other screw in there. And I'm just going to go over a little bit and just make sure everything is tight in there, so the screen will be, you have a shaky screen. Alright, now I got my screen fully secure in there. Just make sure I don't have any loose cable. All the cable looking tight, so that's a good thing. Now the next thing is to get my frame securely in the position. Watch out for these monitors that have cameras on them. Make sure you don't unplug the cameras. These new laptops, majority of them do have cameras, so it's something to look out for, so you don't have the cable plug out of it. Alright. And as a courtesy, just clean the customer laptop. This is just a courtesy to former customer service also. Customer know that, yeah, I brought a dirty old laptop to this tech and replace the screen and replace the keyboard, and the laptop is clean and new again. Alright, thanks for watching.